welcome back to my channel. My name is Kilani, para los que no me conocen. If it is your first time on this channel, welcome to my channel. Make sure to subscribe down below before you leave and hit that bell, because if not, you're never going to be notified. This is what YouTube has been doing lately, okay? And to my longtime subscribers, thank you guys for tuning back on today's video. On today's video, I am going to be creating this, Instagram baddie makeup look. Like, I totally feel like a baddie. Let's stop rambling on and let's get this makeup tutorial started, you guys. So I have a bare face, as you guys can see. I only have my brows done. Sorry for this ratchet ass nail. I don't know why, but this specifically finger, my nail keeps breaking. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some primer. For primer today, I am going to be using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some foundation. For foundation today, I am going to be using the Cover FX Power Play. This is in the color G+60. If you guys saw my video that I did, like the whole, kind of review on this foundation, I used the G+50, I think it was, but I feel like my face is a little bit darker, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this color. It squirted all over my arm. Jesus Christ, I have a white tee too. Oye, pero esta base se ve bien de bien, ¿eh? Next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer. The Urban Decay Naked Concealer. This is in the color light to medium, I think it's called. I think it is. I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Now that I have that concealer, I'm gonna go with that concealer that's a little bit lighter. You guys know that I love using two concealers all the time. I am going to be using the NARS. This is the soft concealer. This is in the color Custard. I love this concealer. When I say this is like one of my favorite concealers in the entire world, this is it. And with whatever I have left on this brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and carve out a little bit the bottom of where I'm going to contour in a little bit. Ouch, I got my bandana dirty. I made it worse. What is wrong with me today? I am looking so ghostly right now. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up a little bit. I am going to be using these bronzer from The Balm Cosmetics. This is Take the Home bronzer. Look how beautiful this bronzer is. Ooh, she is pigmented. It is my first time using this bronzer. Ooh. Holy moly macaroni. Either she's pigmented or I'm using the one that's really, really dark, because I have another one that's a little bit lighter. Maybe I should use this one, because holy moly. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. Well, to contour my nose, I'm gonna be using the lighter shade. This is in the color Thomas. So the one that I used on my cheeks, on my contour right here, is in the color Greg. Okay, you guys, we're looking a little bit crazy, but I promise I'll put it all together. I'm gonna go ahead and start baking. For baking, you guys, I am going to be using this Bella Pierre banana powder. If you watch any of my videos, if you follow me on social media, you guys know that this is what I have been using lately. I am truly obsessed. I'm even gonna turn it around and like show you guys the name and everything, just in case you guys want to look for it. This is so good. And I just think for like us, like tan girls, women of color, we do better with like banana powder than like translucent powders. Like, I don't know, it just looks a lot better. So banana powder is my shit. Okay, ooh, we're gonna get that cut. Now that we have that baking going on, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my eyes. I'm going to be using this NYX base. This is just a white base. I want my shadows to really pop today, so I'm gonna be going off with this first. You guys, make sure that when you wear a white primer, lo difuminen bien, like you blend that right, because if not, your shadows are gonna look really bad. So I'm over here just like blending for hours. 20 million hours later, you guys, like literally, for today's eye makeup, I am going to be using the Meet Matrimony palette. This is from the Bomb Cosmetics. It is such a pretty palette. Look how gorgeous. I'm gonna start taking this color right over here. It's called Matte Thomas, and apply it pretty much just like all over the lid. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right over here. It's called Matte Moscowitz. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's like this purpley color. I'm gonna take a very small brush and apply it pretty much on the creases of my, a little bit like on top of the crease, pretty much. Now that we have that color right there on our crease, well, a little bit higher than our crease, voy a tomar este color right over here. It's called Matte Kumar, and apply it on my crease. I'm gonna blend it pretty much with the purple that we already have right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right here. It's called Matte Ahmed, pretty much it's just the black one, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my lower lid. As you guys know, black can be really messy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take a wipey and use my fingernail and clean up like the inner corners of my eye. I think we're looking so cute. Now that we got those eyes semi done, I'm gonna go ahead and take the same brush that we use to apply, if I can find it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the banana powder. I'm gonna take the same brush that I used to apply the powder, but this time I'm gonna go ahead and apply more powder. But I'm gonna be using the Pure 4-in-1 Minerals powder. This is in the color Tank. So what I do is that I take my brush, I dab into the powder, and then I go ahead and remove it. So that way I remove the banana powder, but I also get coverage from this powder. See what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and take the same purple that we applied before and apply it on my lower lash. I'm also gonna take a little bit of the Matte Kumar, the reddish color right here, and just mix it in with the purple. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush to my cheeks. I'm gonna be using the Hot Mama by The Bomb Cosmetics. I know you guys are probably saying like, is this a sponsored video? But it's not a sponsored video. I just got a lot of goodies from them, so I'm just like trying them out. But you know, if they want to sponsor a video. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. For mascara, I am going to be using the Lancome Monsieur mascara. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes off camera and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back and I have the lashes on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some black liner on my waterline. This is from Sigma Beauty. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply some setting spray. For setting spray today, I'm gonna be using the Cover FX Illuminating Spray. I love this thing. I love to apply it before my highlighter just so that the highlighter like blings, you know, to the gods. For highlighter today, we're going to be using the Sleek Makeup palette. This palette, it's so pretty, you guys. She did not come out to play, honey. I'm also gonna take the same highlighter and apply a little bit on my inner corners. Guys, I didn't know I was gonna do that, but I mixed these two highlighters, like the powder first, and then I went and I put this like cream highlighter on top, and it turned kind of like purplish. I don't know if you guys can see my inner corners. So cute. Now we're moving on to the lips. I didn't want to do a nude, but I feel like I have to because, you know, the eyes are getting all the attention. So I have already lip lined my lips with a lip pencil. This is from ColourPop. This is the color Taurus, I think you say it. You know, like Aries, Taurus, however you say that. Yeah, this is like one of my favorite brown pencils. The lipstick I'm going to be using today is from CoverGirl. This is Major Shade in the color Insider. Starting to know that I live for a nude lip. Díganme qué creen. I'm kind of living. I look like a baddie. Like an Instagram baddie. But you guys, we are at the end of this video. I really enjoy creating this look. I haven't done like a beginning to end kind of tutorial for you guys here on YouTube, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please, 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 before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And since YouTube has been playing game, they're like está jugando with my emotions, please make sure to hit the little bell, esa campanita que está abajo para que les notifique, so you guys are notified every time I upload a video. Make sure to like this video if you guys enjoyed it, and please, please, please leave me a comment down below. I love to like talk to you guys, you know, about anything. Let me know what's your favorite product, or if you guys really love this makeup look or anything like that. I really want to just, you know, engage with you guys down below. But thank you guys so much for tuning in on today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.